my name is Arjunesh. I'm a Senior Contracts Manager in Midwall. Today we are going to perform an integrated factory acceptance test for a complete HIPS application. Abu Dhabi National Oil Company has awarded a project for Al Dhabiya Tamama Zone B onshore to Actuators. Actuators has awarded the complete HIPS package to Midwall. Midwall partners with Praxi to supply HIPS system integrated to the main system in the site consisting of 3 clusters.
My name is Selina Ong and I'm the Engineering Manager and Sales Support for Midwall, Malaysia. The valve beside me is an API 6D 10-inch reduced bore pressure class 2500 side entry trunnion mounted bore valve. It is a forged carbon steel valve with fully cladding Inconel 625 valve body and Inconel 625 valve trim. It is a soft seat valve with pig seat insert that will made to a tungsten carbide coated Inconel 625 bore. This is an actuated valve for HIPS application with fast closing up to maximum 2 seconds, and the service is silver with high H2S content. So the material selection for the valve is very crucial to ensure suitability for the service and its application. In this job, there are pressure class 2500 API 6D and API 6A 10,000 PSI rated HIPS trunnion mounted bore valve. Onshore has chosen to subject these high pressure valves under a series of testing following API 6D and API 6A test regime. The test regime are hydrostatic shell test, hydrostatic seat test, torque test, low pressure air seat test, high pressure PSL 3G gas shell test, high pressure 3G gas seat test, and functional tests together with the actuators, pressure transmitters and other accessories to form a HIPS application loop of CO3. These are high pressure valves with test pressure that goes up to 1035 bar with hydro and 690 bar with nitrogen gas. Today, we will be performing factory acceptance tests on this 10-inch reduced bore class 2500 valve following API 6D test regimes to ensure that the valve design and quality are of a high integrity.
My name is Vincent Apil. What we have here today is a HIPS systems, which is basically a high integrity pressure protection system. It's a type of SIS or safety instrumented system that protects a plant or a pipeline from overpressure. This system is designed to reach up to SEAL 3 based on IEC 61511. And I would like to walk you through to the components of this HIPS system. Let me introduce the elements of our HIPS system. So we have here the sensing element. This is our pressure transmitter that basically measures the pressure of the pipeline. It is configured into 2 out of 3 bolting, and it is mounted on a high integrity manifold valve. This basically is designed that you can only isolate one transmitter at any given time. This arrangement for simulation is powered by nitrogen gas for our testing. So we have here our nitrogen gas so that it could put pressure on our transmitters. And from here, the electronic is connected to our logic solver. For these HIPS systems, we are using Honeywell Safety Manager as the logic solver. So basically, the information from the sensing element is processed to this processor, and it makes the judgment if it's the time for the system to shut down. And the output of the system goes to the final element, which is our emergency shutdown valve or the HIPS valves. So we have 2 HIPS valves in the system, which is basically configured into 1 out of 2 configuration. And this valve is controlled by solenoid valves, which are also SEAL certified. And these solenoid valves are driven by the logic solver. We have here the hydraulic power pack to power up the actuators.
My name is Dr. Michel Houtermans. I work for Risnology, a Swiss-based company. And on this HIPS project, I am the assigned sales certifier. This week, I'm here to witness the validation testing. And validation testing basically means that I'm here to check out that what the customer has ordered is actually what has been delivered here today. During the validation testing, all the components that have been delivered by the different companies are integrated in this factory, and during this week we are testing that the HIP system works as specified. The validation is basically the last phase in our certification project. When the validation is finished, that basically means that everything is working as specified. Then the company can pack up the HIP system and ship it to the field where the end user can install it and start using it.